Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out. Just put a bottle on the model and she pulled her pants down. My bitch was here, she have a fit, so I'm about to head out.
What's up guys? So in today's video we gonna be doing a little bowling. So without further ado, let's bowl.
I bet you so get a start. See who get a start?
No couple. Look at Shayla, look. Just throw it, it don't matter.
There we go. No. There we go. What I like.
No edits, I'm gonna put me out.
If it ain't good footage, you gotta get it out.
Yeah.
There we go. All right. Last name.
Like, what is wrong with you, baby? Back up. Get it, baby.
YouTube Nico is out here. You hear me?
Is anyone alive out there? Can he clean it up? Is the question. Can he clean it up? And he cannot. What can you do?
She got it.
Take him down.
Go, Stoney.
Okay. You feel me? It's a pin, yeah.
Where's that number 7?
Right. Number 7.
Can she clean it up?
No 7. No.
No, she cannot. It's okay. You did a good job. Shay, show me what you got. Can you dig it? No, you can't.
Going to the line.
Can she clean it up, you guys? No, she can't. Still
Twinkle toes.
Get it straight. Get it straight.
You two don't want y'all to understand that was Mr. Logan
This cat,
and
baby.
Miss Logan both went to the governor. What y'all say about that, you two?
Don't pay attention to him. Go ahead, baby. Yeah. It's okay, y'all. This is school right now. We're not done. I'm about to use this purple ball. You trying to do a trick shot?
You can do it.
You can do it! You ain't got it? At least he got some though, that was lit. Can she clean it up? Can she clean it up? Yes, she can! Woo! Show what you got, baby. Baby, why would you? Why? Why are you on the ground? How did you hit the floor? You hit the floor for those pins? Can he clean it up? No, he can't. Woo! I'm gonna roll with a purple ball.
That's what I tell my babies. I want to tell y'all home watching. Daddy was beating their butt, y'all. Look what Daddy did to their tail. Daddy got 97 kids.
Look at your girl on desk.
Daddy was beating their...
Go ahead, baby. That's what you needed. That's what you need. There's the score, guys. Nico won. Big Des is second. Big Boy third. SHAE is in fourth. Stoney is fifth. And Nikki is the winner was Nico. And Destiny was second place.
Two nobody remember, 3 ain't no winner. It's all about number 1.
Well, you guys, looks like you reached the end of my video. I'm so happy y'all joined us with this fun bowling trip today. Please make sure you don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.